A1 says, explain why most laboratories do not have smooth floors but have rough floors. The whole essence of putting rough floors is to prevent accidents, such as someone falling, someone sliding, then if they're carrying apparatus in their hands so that those apparatus can break. So it's just to avoid accidents. That's the main reason why they do that, to avoid falling of experimenters. Okay, it also prevents apparatus from being broken if someone falls, for example, falls. These two laboratory safety rules you would need to observe when carrying out a titration. The first thing is that whenever you're doing a titration, one of the laboratory rules you must be able to know is that do not become in contact with the acid. That's one of the rules. Okay? Do not become in contact, or you can say put on protective gloves. Put on protective gloves. From there, put on a lab coat. Lab coat will help you. Draw the arrangement of particles in solid, liquid, gases and shown below. So in solid, the particles are closer to one another with no spaces between the particles. So that's how they are. Then in liquid, they are slightly above one another. They have spaces. In gases, the particles are far away from one another. That's the difference. Explain why for the same space occupied, solids have much higher densities than liquids and gases. It's because the particles are closely packed. So the particles are closely packed. This giving them a much higher density than liquids and gases. Gases are compressible. Why are gases compressible? Because there are spaces between them. Because the particles have spaces between each other or between them. So